That's what I'll
There you go.
It's burping!
She...
arrived on your doorstep? The boat.
Look at this.
Will you pat her back?
I am patting
No,
her.
you're not. She burped.
So I'm
Did
patting
she?
it lately.
Oh, you got leaf on all over the place.
I did not. You're so...
Can you feel it rolling down your leg?
It was very warm for a while. I was scared.
Not right now.
Look at her toes. Record her toes are just sticking out straight.
She held the
Can
baby.
you hook your camera up to your computer now?
And she helped to feed the baby. Right, Nicole?
Figured it out yet?
She's such a big
On
help.
my camcorder? Well, I found the instruction booklet, but I didn't read it because I'm lazy. Baby.
What about this one?
How come?
I'll just put these on
How
YouTube.
come?
What?
I'll just put these on YouTube.
There you go.
What do you mean you'll put these
Not
on
YouTube. Yes, YouTube. That's where I put all my... I can't put them on... Oh, she burped again.
Okay, now.
Is that it?
You can put these on YouTube? How?
Put them on my computer.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about.
Oh, yeah. It's
You
just
have them on
memory
your
card.
computer?
Well, I can put them on my computer, but not on my computer right now.
No, but when you do...
I want some tea.
I can even send them to you so they're on
Send
your
them to
computer.
me.
Yeah.
Hi, Mom.
There you go.
Hi.
Chili.
You want some tea?
Gina's burping her.
Burping who?
Got to put some tea.
Baby.
Stephanie.
The cutest baby I've ever had. You're like choking her. You're like...
Not.
No. I did it.
It looks like it. Choker hold.
Stir it up.
Will you give me another burp, cutie? Look at her little chubby cheeks.
You stir it up.
Close it and look at the front.
Oh, she's so
Now you give it to us. Andrew. There you go. She stirred it up.
Oh! You put it on my clothes.
Oh,
You spilled it
dear.
on me.
We're gonna make another one. So you don't spill it this time, Uncle Andrew.
Okay, you make me another one?
Watch where you're recording.
Is it like grounded coffee beans? Is it good?
TV?
Oh!
Baby's more important.
Oh, was it too hot? He didn't blow
You
it.
can open your eyes, cutie.
Billy, we supposed to
Okay,
blow
don't be a
it.
baby hog. Pass her off.
Well, she's got a poopy bum.
Show me. Show me how.
Surely you'll change poopy
Show
diaper.
him how to blow.
Open your eyes for the camera, please.
Oh, what?
Come on, sweetie, open your eyes.
Is it okay to drink now? Don't spill it. There you go.
Well, I guess
Yes,
so.
cutie.
It's all good now.
Let me change her then.
Yeah.
Oh, where are you going?
Can
little
you get me a
girl?
diaper? Tea.
And wipes,
Wait.
Kobe.
Did you have tea?
Thank
Didn't
you
you
for that.